Now let's look how we create a brand new project. Up here on the action pane, just click New Project, and then we'll fill out some basic information about the project. Things like the project name, let's call it Learning Test. And the project group, we'll use a time and material project with no work in process. We'll learn a lot about that in subsequent modules. This time and material project is for a customer, so let's go ahead and build a new contract. We have an entire module focused on contracts coming up later. In this case, let's just choose the Central Discount Store as our customer and say OK. Now we're back on that project details page where we're able to fill out all the details of the project. The other thing I want to introduce here in the introductory module is the basics about project categories and project transactions. Up here you'll see journals, hours, expenses, items, and fees. These are simple ways to post transactions associated with the project. Usually you would use business documents like timesheets or expense reports to produce those transactions, but we'll take a look at how to enter a simple transaction using journals. Before transactions can be entered, though, you need to set the project stage to become in process. So I'll set the project stage in process. It's telling me here that, hey, you don't have a budget yet for this project. You should really consider having a budget. We'll learn about budget and forecasting in a subsequent module. So I'll just say that's okay for now. And now let's enter a simple transaction. I'll open up the journal form for hours here, create a new journal, go to the lines form, and enter a very simple transaction. So here we'll see project category. We'll be focusing on project category throughout the course. The project category helps us understand the cost and the sales value of various work or materials or expenses within the system. Here we'll say project management is our category, and we want to enter 10 hours onto the project. Over here you'll see some basic attributes of the transaction, like the cost price for that and the sales price for that. Once we've reviewed this journal entry, we can post it to our project. Okay. Once some transactions have been posted on my project, I can go to the Control tab and look at my project statement. We'll learn a lot about this in the basic project accounting module later. If I say Calculate, we'll see we're actually getting some cost associated with our project at this time.